Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing your device for a DFU restore, the only reliable way to fully clear iOS. First, make a complete backup so you can restore data later. Next, turn off Find My iPhone in settings so activation lock won't block the restore. Finally, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes installed, because once you enter DFU mode, you'll need the computer to reflash the firmware. Once done, put your iPhone into DFU mode using the specific button sequence for your model. Hold the exact timing, too long or short, and you'll enter recovery instead. When Finder or iTunes detects the device in recovery, choose Restore iPhone. The app downloads and verifies the IPSWA image and then writes a fresh copy of iOS. This process fully erases the device and reinstalls firmware, so make sure the computer stays powered, and when the restore finishes, you'll see the iOS setup screen. Set up as new or restore your backup through iCloud or Finder and sign back into your Apple ID. If the DFU restore fails, try a different Lightning cable, switch USB ports, or reboot the computer and repeat DFU entry. Hardware and timing are the usual culprits. And if activation lock appears, you'll need the original Apple ID credentials to complete setup. That's the key troubleshooting tip to avoid being stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.